Hello, beautiful world. Are you a copywriter or a content creator? Do you use a customer avatar or your ideal perfect client profile to help guide you with your content creation so that you can speak directly to their needs and their wants, so that when they're reading it or they come across your ads, your copy, your blog, whatever it is, when they're attending your webinar, it sets them off and goes, yes, they get me, they understand what I need, and attracts them into what it is that you have to offer or how you can serve them, how you can help. Well, if you're a business owner or marketer or content creator that is client focused, is user focused, then this tool might just be for you. So let's have a look. It's called crawlq.ai, and this is the starting panel here. This is a quick review of it, so I'm not going to go into much detail as what you would get in my longer walkthroughs, but you can check that out on the channel. So they have their AI assistant here, and we can train this by adding in URLs. Later on, we're going to be able to add documents into this too. So basically, you can go to an amazing sales page that speaks directly to what your customers' needs and wants are, and you can add it in so that the AI assistants here is trained on that. You can also do your research summary document and upload it into this, and then this tool will use your research to give you the AI the information that will be used to create the output. So on the side here, we have market research, content creation. We can have a look at our different projects. So you can have a number of different projects. So these would be like your websites, your different niches. You can search your tool and get insights, and you can save your notes of your research as you go. It has amazing community and resources to help you learn how to maximize this program. It uses a credit system that recurs every month. You have these different workspaces, which are your different projects, there you are, and you have different members. So you have a team you can have team members come in. This is admin. So let's go have a look at market research. So in market research, we have these different aspects, and we go into them, and then it just goes and asks us to define our ideal customer. So it walks us through, it gives us a guide of what it is that we need to enter here. So that's great. We can then copy over or put any information that we want over here, and we can save that. So we can save information as we go into a document. We have notes up here that go into detail telling us why this is important, why we use this, and why it's asking for this information, and it does that pretty comprehensively. This is the same as you would get in other sales copy tools. You need to know who you're selling to be able to speak to that person. This is a basic fundamental framework for all good sales copies tools. So this is a good sales copy tool with the added benefit of, then if we're not sure, we can go in and we can type in keywords to help us. So say that I'm looking at digital marketing, I can enter in digital marketing, and it can give us keyword topics for digital marketing here. So we can go through different search engines, and we can find out what's trending, what's going on, so that we have a little bit more information to input into this tool, into the research and resonance, cool word. All right, search intent discovery. So this is another guide for us if you're not too sure on who your ideal customer is, what your customer avatar is. This is another tool to help us understand more about them. So we can just put in our keyword topic again, just 2 to 3 words or so, and this will give us a number of different tools, other trending topics for us to use that would give us content creation ideas, as well as understanding who our avatar, what information our avatars would be interested in. So helps us direct our content and what kind of content we would be addressing. So it's got a whole bunch of these different tools that we can look through on the search intent discovery. So why are people searching for different things? So you put in the keyword and it will tell us basically, why. Digital versus digital marketing. So like I said, all content creation ideas. Then we can go into our content creator. We have basically a AI writer here, so writing blogs, blog outline. Just put in our topic of interest, so how to scale a business might be one, and your initial content idea. Sorry, I think I mixed that up, so let's just put this here, and we can put starting a business, and then we'll just click next. This is a saved one from before, so let me just show you. So opens up, we can change the location, and then we got a text editor in here where we have then our blog outline. We can do a content sketch, and we can do headline and introduction to get us started with the AI. Or we can add notes for team members, add all media and everything in there for our blog. And then on this side, once it loads, it's going to give us SERP data and other people who are ranking. So there's the content sketch that we can do, which will be a breakdown. Let's see. So then the headlines. Okay, so here's breakdown, headline, introduction. So this just helps us in writing our content piece. Tells us, what's the average scores for other websites and how they are ranking. So we can open up them and we can have a look at what our competition is basically saying. We got SERP headlines here, topic points here, questions here, reviews here, and then it comes back to our niche. So if we go to the overview and we go on this, basically we can ask it to generate questions for us. Just click on generate questions and it'll generate a question based on this information here. So then we can ask it to generate answers for us. So what does practical marketing provide access to? And then it says provides access to tools, training, and support to make money ethically and sustainably is the answer. Perfect. We can use this to rewrite. So just click on this and rewrite it. It'll show you the words that it has rewrite. And so to make it more your own, then once you have done that, we can go through and we can copy this and we can put it into our blog piece. So we could copy that as well, and put it in. And then we just want to save this. If we want to use the AI writer, then we just go into here and put click on the Write Me Athena. And Athena has done that. So you can see Athena has written this bit here down the bottom. So that cost you credits. This AI writing crossed the credits. That's what's there. So we'll save that and we'll go back. All right, so then we've got sales copy. And so this has different templates of all different types of sales copy that we would need to use. So emails, webinars, videos, upsells, testimonials, landing pages, headlines. So we can select on one of them and go in and just ask you a few questions again to narrow it down. You basically just have to put in, I'll just show you going into one. Let's go into a script. So there's different scripts here. So you just go into another place where you fill in detail. All you need to really do here is put in your main topic here. So practical marketing. Once we have our main topic, we can fill all these up with AI and we can create our document. The document will be created in this case as an authority webinar hosting script. So this is the script that we can then use. It gives us information on other ranking. So it gives us a bit of SERP analysis. Over on the side, gives us averages of what other scripts have. And we got that same kind of a tool here where we can rewrite and play around with it more. So we're going to save that. We got the AI writing tool there, and we're going to go back. Beautiful. All right, so we've also got an AI content rewriter. So pretty self-explanatory. You put in information here, hit rewrite, and then just do the ratio of how much you want it to rewrite. Completely kind of rewrite, not so much rewrite. Text summarizer. So again, pretty self-explanatory. Put in a URL or put in you can write your copy and paste your content here. Let it know how long you want it to be summarized as, and hit generate. So you could do good research tool in this, putting in the URLs. And that's the content creation. So before in the dashboard, how I was saying, there's different projects. Here you have your different projects. Here is all demo projects that you can load in just by clicking that into one of yours. Let's just go back into this for now. All right, so as we're trained our Athena, we add in a URL there to power up. So just get amazing URL that is really relevant to what you're doing. And those URLs or that document that you put in, it then comes and helps us in this section. So then we can kind of search and ask questions, and this is then the AI kind of giving us keywords back or information back, so we can just write in whatever we want here, and based on the training that we have given the AI, we will get a result here, and then we can just copy and use anything that comes up and takes our interest. So it's another way of using this AI. In notes, this is what we have saved from our market research so that we can go back in. So any of the files as we were going, if we needed anything, we can save all them off. That way we've got nice easy copies to to use elsewhere, to share, whatever it is that we need. Basically, that is crawlq.ai. I hope you liked the quick review.